Justin Collins. I'm VP of Sales for EMEA. My remit is that I run a series of sales teams around the European region. So our clients need to really understand us in order that we can explain how our service is differentiated. So I wanted to give them the best possible chance of communicating with impact and having their key messages remembered. I would say that there are three key benefits that I've noticed. So first of all, we've saved a lot of time preparing for both client meetings and presentations. Our messaging in front of clients has definitely become a lot cleaner. Meetings are running to time, and I feel that we are being more remembered. And finally, we've saved time in internal meetings, especially sales meetings, where they do run more to time, and I feel that everyone gets a lot more out of them.